Hey guys, Ben Ottolini with Integrity Roofing here. Out here in Carbondale, up on a roof on this gloriously sweaty day. I want to show you a couple things standing out to me on this roof. So hopefully you can see this here. This nail, this low nail, sticking out underneath these shingles. So some of these shingles were not nailed in the right place. You can see how that's all rusty. And actually I got up in this person's attic and there's an entire, probably 2-foot section of rotten wood directly underneath that. So just from that one little nail, here's another right here. So just improper installation, and of course anybody's capable of making mistakes, but ideally somebody would have caught that and made it right, right off the bat. Other thing kind of going on this roof, you see over here, on this kind of chimney here, there is virtually no base flashing here. So you can see this nail sticking out. So all this wood right here, see how soft that is? Just rotten. So that base flashing really needs to be run out about 4 inches, 5 inches over those shingles, and mounted down with pole barn screws so that they don't leak. They've got little rubber gaskets on them to prevent that kind of thing from happening. So all these seemingly minor details are not minor. They stack up over time, cause major issues on your roof, and frankly, you guys deserve better. So if you need an inspection, feel free to give me a call. Thanks.